Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to share with us the new invention of Meta. I'm going to share with us how to use Meta AI to generate contents for your Facebook videos. Meta just released a very intelligent AI, and to be honest with us, I am loving this AI. I'm loving the way it produces good answers to my queries, and I am loving how it arranges its words to fit in the way humans think. All right, so today I'm going to be sharing with us not only how to use Meta AI to generate content ideas. I'm also going to share with us how to ask it to write a very compelling story for your video script, and also how to use it to generate very good AI images that are realistic for your daily post on Facebook. So now it's not you saying I am weak, I don't have content ideas. There is no need for excuses to get the post that you're going to publish on your page. Meta AI is here now to do all those work for you. Last month, Meta introduced their AI. Just like ChatGPT and Bard, I've been using this AI since they launched it. Okay, and I am loving it because the AI is very intelligent, and the way it writes in a human tune, and it has a very nice wordings that resonates how humans think. All right, and most people have started using this AI already on Facebook. On this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI to generate images, to generate content ideas, to generate write-ups for your post, and also how to use it to know the things that are trending around you and many others. All right, so without much ado, let's go into the video. So for those of you who are not seeing the Meta AI on their app, this may be because you've not updated your Facebook app yet. If you update it, where is my phone? Okay, when you update it, you're gonna come to your home page. When you come to your home page, you are definitely going to see Meta AI option at the top of your Facebook app. So to locate the Meta AI, this search bar that you see here, just click on it, the search bar. When you click on it, it's going to automatically load, and you are going to see ask Meta AI anything. I hope we can see it on my screen. Ask Meta AI anything. So when you click on this ask Meta AI anything, you will be able to ask it anything that is on your mind. All right, so that is how you locate Meta AI. Without much ado, let's go into the proper tutorial on how to use Meta AI for our own advantage and business. Okay guys, so I am logged into my Facebook account. So look at this search button here. This search button, when I click it, I'm going to come over to Meta AI. Right, so now I want to make a search. Let's assume you're a content creator, and you create content about hairstyles. Okay, so for you to use Meta AI to generate content ideas, you're going to come over to here and impute a query. So I'm going to ask Meta AI, what are the trending female hairstyles that I can make contents on? To add more details, you can put braiding. What are the trending female braid hairstyles? Okay, so this is the query. What are the trending female braiding hairstyles for me to make content on? So we are going to search now, and we're going to wait for it. So here is the result that Meta AI gave us. So here you see Ghana braids, Fulani braids, box braids, and so many of them. So this way you have content ideas to make contents on, and this applies to other niches too. So if you are in other niches, you can also use Meta AI to generate content ideas that you make on your page. You can also use Meta AI to check on what is trending in your niche. Okay, you can just ask it what is trending in your niche and it's going to give you the answer that you want. Now let's go over to the interesting part of it, how to use Meta AI to generate an image. Let's assume that you want to create a content or you want to make a post and you lack image that will describe what you want to write about. So you come to Meta AI and you say, for example, I'm going to input a prompt. Have in mind that the command you give this AI will determine the result it's going to give you. So always go in detail. So let's say generate an image of a lady riding a bicycle in a crowded environment. So you're just telling this AI to generate an image of a lady riding a bicycle in a crowded environment, and she is putting on afro hairstyle and a red dress, and also there is traffic light, cars, and a police officer in the background. So let's search it and see. You see, this is wonderful. This is so beautiful. You see, this is the power of Meta AI. This is the power of Meta AI. You see how beautiful the image is, and it's very detailed. This is everything I asked for. Okay, so you can use Meta AI to do numerous things. You can use it to generate content for your daily activities and the rest. And you can also use it to answer questions. Let's assume you are chatting with someone and the person sends a message about a topic you don't know about. You can easily ask Meta AI, what is this? And it's going to tell you what the stuff is. So I am encouraging everybody that is following me to start using Meta AI. This AI is very wonderful and it makes Facebook very easy, and it also helps you to spy on your opponents. Are you using Meta AI yet? What challenges are you facing? Drop it in the comment section, guys. Till I come your way next time, I remain Justice Jubrike.